Welcome. Today I am with Vivo Y52 5G from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with USB-C cable in the box set. Charger, earphones, wired infos, and here we can find cable. It's right here. It's USB-C cable. As you can see, take a look. You can plug this cable right here to USB-C charging port. So yeah, we can find here original USB-C cable and the box set in the European distribution. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.